Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are going to learn how to design fitness flyer in Photoshop. Before getting started, please do download the project file, link in the description. With the project file, it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial. In case if you want that completely designed .psd file means, hit the like button. Soon after reaching 100 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to the folder you downloaded, open the PSD file inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file. Size is A4. I have given you the color palette, the colors we are going to use in this tutorial. Next we are going to bring in our background image. For that go to the project file, drag and drop the background image inside our canvas, enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize it. Fine, I'll reduce the opacity down to 50%. Now our background image is ready. Next go to image folder, create a layer, go to the project file, drag and drop the model image. Of course you can use your image. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the image. I'm going to place it at right side. Next go to the design folder, create a layer, go to color picker, sample and select the blue color, this one. Now select rectangle shape tool, make sure the fill is selected, stroke is disabled. Now by holding shift key in your keyboard, create a square shape like so. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and give a 45-degree rotation. And I'll move the shape a little bit and place it somewhere here. Fine. Now I'm going to create a duplicate copy of this layer using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J and bring it below. Now click the thumbnail and change the color to yellow. Click OK. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the shape and bring it down. I'll place it somewhere here. Fine. Next I'm going to create a layer. Now go to color picker, sample and select this yellow color. Click OK. Now pick the polygon laser tool, this one. Now make a triangle selection like so. Now I'm going to fill the color using keyboard shortcut Alt Backspace. Now I'm going to repeat the very same step. Go to color picker, sample and select this blue color, click OK. Now create a layer. Again I'm going to make a triangle selection like so. Fine. Now fill the color using keyboard shortcut Alt Backspace. Now we are done with the design part. Next we are going to add our text content. Now close all the folders, go to text folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select black color. The font I'm using is a free font. I'll give a link in the description. You can download it if you want. Now I'm going to type my studio name. I'm going with size 85. I'll create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J. Fine. Now I'm going to add another text content. I'm going with another font, Lato. I'll give link in the description. You can download it if you want. Fine. Next I'm going to repeat the very same step. I'm going to add few more text content. I'm going with the same font I used for the header. Now I'm going to add bullet points. I'm using Lato font. I'll create 4 more duplicate copies using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Now I'll edit the text. Next I'm going to add the contact information. Fine, now we are done with the text part. Next we are going to add few abstract designs. Now go to the project file, double click and install the given brush. Now go to design folder, create a layer, go to color picker, sample and select this red color, click OK. Now enable brush tool, select the newly installed brush, select the +2 brush, this one. Now increase the size and give a single click here. Now we are going to repeat the same step, select +3 brush, give a click here. Now I'll disable the color palette. Next we are going to add bullet shapes to our text content. For that go to the bullets folder, create a layer with same color red, select another brush, this one. Reduce the size and give single click to all the bullet points. Next we are going to add glow effect to our designs. For that, go to design folder, create a layer. I'll name it as glow. Now change the blending mode to color dodge. Now go to color picker, sample and select bright yellow color, this one. Click OK. Now select brush tool and pick the soft round brush, this one. Now increase the size and give a single click to create a glow effect. Now we're going to repeat the very same step. Go to color picker, sample and select bright blue color. Now give some random clicks. Next we are going to add offer text content at the bottom here. For that, go to the text folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select black color and type your text. Now we are almost done. As a final step, we are going to merge our layers into a single layer. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Alt Ctrl Shift E. If you want to do it manually, go to layers, select merge visible by holding Alt key in your keyboard. Fine. As a final step, go to filter, select camera raw filter. Now play with the color settings to make the fire look a little bit vibrant. Now click OK. Now go to file, save as. Now save the file as PDF or PNG or JPEG and get it printed. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button for more tutorials, subscribe to my channel and please do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, take care.